good morning. Beautiful morning. Got my coffee going here. I've got my little buddy here.
Right.
We're gonna be doing a little bit of coffee with the Crockers.
Yeah. I don't know, it's cool.
Y'all will. It is already starting to get spicy out here.
A little bit.
First order of business, we're trying to get this mast here bent back straight. You can see we've got some weights tied to it here. So on the Texas 200, we had a little bit of an accident, bent the mast pretty bad. We were still able to obviously do the 200, but got it on the sawhorse. I think we're just gonna maybe just let it sit, do its thing, maybe bend, let that ride for a few days. Now on to number 11. Got the cover out. I think it fit perfectly.
Oh, I couldn't
actually
have been any better.
Yeah, we've got that going. Take y'all up inside. Box fan in here, and we've got all of our tools up here ready to go. And we're just gonna be sanding and cutting and basically just trying to smooth out this whole bottom surface here and get it prepped for the oak. All right, well.
Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready.
All right, he says he's ready.
He said we'll work until we done working.
So out of all those times I go to Shoot Dang Ranch and do all this work, it's time to return the favor.
That's right. That's what friends do.
That's right. All right, let's get to it, y'all. Jason's gonna start at the stern, and I'll be at the bow in the cabin.
And we're hoping that it don't take 5 days to meet in the middle.
Yeah, we'll try to meet in the middle. We've got these two pieces going across here that we'll have to cut out, and those will save saving the best for last. Yeah, we're just gonna kind of start on each end and then just work our way in until we meet in the middle.
Fingers crossed it's not as hard as we probably think it's gonna be. So with this part over here, do you want it in smoother, or like, does this all need to come out, or as long as it's smooth like this?
Yeah, I think as long as it's just smooth like that.
Okay, and then like this, I can't really get the belt sander. Do you want to come in and just like cut that chunk? Or
yeah.
So as long as it's just pretty much like this?
Yeah, yeah, it looks good.
We gonna knock this out then.
You're doing a good job, mijo.
We gonna knock it out.
Look at all this dust.
I know.
Already.
Need like a little umpire broom. The little.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Awesome.
I think it's gonna work good.
Well, hey man, I'll be back up here if you need anything.
All right.
Check it out.
Oh, dang, you got it out.
I got it out.
Heck yeah. Did you cut it or rip it or what? A little bit of both?
Yeah, I just cut around the fiberglass. And got one down, one more to go. And then I think we'll be able to kind of pry this up with a crowbar or something. Well, it sure does look like you've never worked before.
Hey, it's a dirty job, but someone's got to do it.
All right, we need to make a run to the Lowe's.
Yeah.
And just kind of take a break, cool down for a minute, and then we'll
I think we can knock this out.
get in there for round 2.
Yeah.
And then maybe a knockout in the second round.
Oh, let's go.
All right, y'all. Well, we got this kind of shop vac and cleaned up here. And we're gonna get the sander down on this. And we're gonna shop back here and kind of clean up all this snow.
Hopefully we'll be able to see what I actually did.
Yeah.
I hope I did something. That's what I'm hoping. Getting done over here.
Making some progress.
Heck yeah. Getting smooth. Look at this. That's looking good. That new sandpaper was the
That's doing the job.
if anyone needs to know, get some of that. It was thick like this, and it started to come out. I had to vacuum it. Yeah, I had to vacuum it to see kind of where we were at, but it's coming out.
Yeah. I've been doing a little sanding in here, getting rid of all these little flakes and everything. It almost looks like we painted.
Yeah. Busting them up, getting some stuff. But
How many did you say you busted up so far?
2 of these stronger ones, and then I guess this one busted of the skinnier.
Yeah, I don't know what this stuff is, but I'm just using whole boat cleaner to.
Brandon got me working today. I don't know if y'all can see this or not.
Oh man. Dude, thank you so
Hey.
much for helping me out with all that.
Passion
Man,
projects.
Dude, this was awesome. I mean, we got so much done. I look in there now and I see that the boards are gonna fit in nice and flush on the bottom of the hole.
Yeah. I just told Brandon, I said, show me what you want, and then I'll work on this side, you do that. And we started figuring it out and just met in the middle, started doing it. And I mean, it came in quick.
I think that is gonna do it for this video.
Yeah.
Man, I can't say enough. I appreciate you coming out here and doing this. This was definitely part that I just dreaded, did not want to do at all.
Yeah.
And having somebody out here with having 4 hands to do this.
Now you understand how I feel with the concrete up there.
Yeah.
So it definitely helps a lot. And oh my gosh, at the end of the day, when you're covered and then you know you did what you did, it's worth it.
It's worth, man, just thank you again.
Hey.
And thank you everyone for watching. If you've made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it. I appreciate the subscribes, the likes, the comments, all of it. It's
Yeah.
awesome. All right, y'all. Hey, queso time. It's queso time. Queso time. Queso time.